are seasoned professionals. I've worked as a cocktail server at casinos and some major hotels, which helped give me pocket money going through school. The t-shirts from The Highlight, which is located on the Upper West Side of New York City. I love their wings and drinks and enjoyed them while I was in college and also as a working professional. Years ago, I was a bartender for the Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity House in Harlem by City College, but by no means does that make me a professional like the ones that we feature here on Drinkable TV. Keep the questions coming, and don't forget to watch Drinkable TV.